okay. Just take your time. Just take your time. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Just take your time. You're okay. Just take your time. You're okay. You're okay. Just take your time. Just take your time. You're okay. Just take your time. You're loved. You're loved. You just don't worry about it. You're totally safe. You're totally safe. Just take your time. Just take your time. Stay there as long as you need to. You're totally safe. You just banged your little noggin. You just banged your little noggin. You just had a little bang on your noggin. Just let your head rest for a little bit. There you go. You can go whenever you want. You can go whenever you want. Just want you to feel safe. Okay? Just want you to feel safe. Don't give up on me though. Okay? Don't give up on me though. Don't give up on me. I want you to get some light. Okay? I want you to be safe. Okay? I want you to feel safe. But you gotta go back to the land. You gotta go back to living. Okay? You gotta go back to living. Okay? Whenever you want, I'll pull you out. You can come right out. Okay? I'll let you just stay there for a second. Love, love, love. See how the little birds are singing? All the little birds are singing? They want you to come out and play. No, you can't sleep. You gotta get up. You gotta get up. You gotta go sing with everybody else. Okay? You gotta sing with everybody else. I'm gonna give you a little more love. I gotta turn my camera off though. You're okay. Yeah. You just got the wind knocked out of you, didn't you? You just got the wind knocked out of you. You'll be good. I know, that wasn't any fun. Say, what are you doing with a glass house? All your friends are all flying. You're gonna be okay. You just need to, rest your little face. You're good. You're good. We'll get you back to flying. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. You're such a little bitty little thing. You're such a little bitty little thing. All your friends are up there. The little bird feeder feeding away. Don't shut your eyes. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're okay. You're okay. There you go. A lot more relaxed now. You're a good little bird. You're gonna be safe. This yard's gonna be your little safe place, so you'll always be able to know that you'll be safe here. That's Kiko. He's your little watchdog. Hey, little doves playing. You feeling better? You feeling better? I can tell your little heart started to relax. Yeah. In a little bit, you'll be able to fly away. I don't want you to sleep, though, because I want you to want to live. You got to live. You want to get up and live. I don't want you to sleep too much. You can rest a little bit. Rest a little bit more. But then you're going to want to get up and fly with all the other birds. I don't want you to get too comfy cozy. All your friends are calling you. I'll let you sleep for a little bit. There you go. Go. Feeling better? You can go anytime. Did so good. Did so well. Just take as long as you need. You did so well. Such a pretty little red head. Such a pretty little red head.